Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Pandya. Welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will discuss the source plagiarism. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you wouldn't miss the upcoming episodes. Source plagiarism occurs when we copy the references directly from any article randomly without cross-referencing. Beginners often copy the references from any published article and stuff them in their bibliography without relevance and citing. As shown in the exercise, we have copied some of the references from a random source paper and just stuffed them into the list of references in our current article. This is known as source plagiarism. When reviewing the articles, reviewers carefully observe the cited references and relevance of the sites with the presented work. Consequently, the article may get rejected if the citations are not relevant. Therefore, always cite the relevant references which we studied carefully during our research work and avoid such occurrences of source plagiarism. In the upcoming episodes, we will cover another plagiarism type in detail with a hands-on exercise. Therefore, please subscribe to our channel so you wouldn't miss the upcoming episodes. Before we leave, please do not forget to like and share. Thank you very much.